Jankunnu was a big thing at Christmas time.
Massive.
Massive
Massive.
thing. Yeah. You remember how when Jankunnu a come, you could hear the music from down the road. You remember?
The drum.
And once
Yeah.
you hear that drum and the fife,
Yeah. Yeah.
you know that kind of music.
Yeah.
Once you hear that, you know Jankunnu a come. How did you used to feel?
Afraid like puss.
Me too.
You you know them
No,
can't
dude.
do anything. You know you see they're not going to hurt you. Well, did we know they're not going to hurt us? Because year after year they come and we don't get hurt. But it's just hearing it, seeing them, when you eventually see them, it's just that fear.
When me tell us I'm afraid, be afraid like a push though. Me not tell you no lie.
Yeah. Yeah. Straight
Um,
under the bed.
under,
Under the bed.
you did go under the bed?
Yes. Initially, the first few years,
Mm-hmm.
and then you get older and you realize that you can't do anything.
Mm-hmm.
So, you stick around.
We
all
still
the time.
couldn't get used to them.
Yeah.
We still couldn't get used
Yeah.
to them. I remember, I'd never forget this incident. We were living at Ricketts Avenue then. And we hear the Jankunnu them come. And usually when that happens, mommy always makes sure that the doors get locked up. Right? Because, you don't really want anybody coming into the house.
Mm-hmm.
And for some reason, I just said, them going past this time, I'm not going out. I was in the kitchen. And Angie, I don't know where the Jankunnu them, how them get into the house. But all I know, you remember right in the back porch there, which was right next to the kitchen, where Miss IC used to iron? He said, cheese and peace. All me know, I want Jankunnu in there. I jump.
Which one was it? The pregnant one?
I think my life over. You see me grave.
Which one was it? You remember?
Eh?
Was it the belly woman?
I know the belly woman. I think it was the devil.
That was the worst one.
The devil?
That was, oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. With the pitchfork? Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
The devil, me say, me look round. And him turn face, like me and him face, I make four. I thought I was going to die, honestly. Mommy realized what was going on, and she was outside in the yard and realized he was in the house, because remember there was a window right there.
Yes.
And a little porch door.
Yes.
The Jankunnu actually came in. That means the front door was not locked. He came through the front door,
But they're not supposed
walked
to
through
do
the
that.
dining room,
Yeah.
and come in at the kitchen.
They're not supposed to do that.
No, you're not supposed to do that. But them did start do that, going to people's house and picking up people, places
No,
of business.
suppose you throw a pot of hot water on him.
It's a big risk.
Or whatever you was cooking.
It's a big risk them I take when them come in at people's house, them way there. Nowadays man draw a gun. Oh gosh. No, it's a big risk. Yeah. And then they have all kind of Jankunnu. Then they have the jack-o'-lantern.
Mm-hmm.
What else they have? Like we said, the devil and the pregnant woman.
The belly woman, the bride.
Mhm.
But they hearing the drums and the fife.
Yeah. Yeah. That was a sign that Jankunnu
yes,
come.
man.
Jankunnu come.
And you just hear, you hear them come and you hear the music.
I remember you being terrified.
Yeah.
I remember. And you
Afraid of
run
them.
to mommy and, of course she will pick you up and whatever. But, yeah. Me not know me there. Me afraid of them. Me not tell you no lie. we did talk a little bit about preparing for Christmas when we were talking about the beautification, the
Mm-hmm.
whitewashing
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
of the tree trunks and the garden stones. But there were other preparations that we would have when Christmas coming. I remember the painting of the houses. Everybody would have paint them house.
Well, of course,
It's
make it look
like,
fresh.
yeah, man, a fresh look. I remember that. And, like a country now, Mama G would have fatten up a pullet because that is going to be Christmas dinner.
Yes, yeah, yeah. That was a
Yeah.
treat.
Hmm?
That was a treat.
Yeah, man. I remember the food shopping. Just, you'd even buy extra things that you never normally buy during the
Mm-hmm.
year,
Mm-hmm.
because it's Christmas. It's
Mm-hmm.
like you prepare for your feast,
Yeah.
whatever your feast is going to be, you know.
Give up all the little extra money.
Right.
So did you have your pocket money where you can buy anything special you want?
For Christmas,
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember having any extra pocket money. No, you didn't get pocket money?
No.
Oh, I wonder. Hold on. You didn't get something, me never.
We did get.
I wonder. No, me never have no extra pocket money.
No.
Pocket money came when I started to work when I was in high school, and me did have me like a holiday job,
Mm-hmm.
and that's when me da get me like a pocket money. That's when pocket money came in. Mommy used to give me, like when I was in high school, and maybe like junior year. Mommy used to give me a little extra,
Mm-hmm.
a little extra money. So I had, like, in the evenings, like when I'm on my way home, mother me could buy like my sky juice and
Some socks,
my
so
little
yeah.
something
Pisco.
extra,
A pisco.
something extra. My little pepper swims. Me used to love that, the pepper swims. And of course, this is confession. The trick yard man.
You used to bet.
Me try, one time.
I lose.
That's a whole other story. Man, the trick yard man.
That's another book.
That's a whole other story. Oh my gosh, that was not cool. Couldn't let mommy know. I said mad. Mother that probably have been last day me see the sun.
She just
Oh,
she just send you for the money. Go get back your money.
right? Oh dear, I want mother do. You remember how we used to clean the house? No, it was a special clean. It's like you clean the house from top to bottom.
Baseboard and all.
Everything, right? Everything in the cabinet
Yeah.
come out
All the
and
crap could get washed. Yeah.
and fresh doilies going.
Mm-hmm.
You remember the doilies? We
Mm-hmm.
used to put doily in and then, oh
yeah.
my
And it
God,
hang over.
hell, hey, of course.
Hang over so you can
Mhm.
see it.
Yeah, man, yeah. And do you remember the bedspread? Special bedspread
The
Christmas day.
chenille.
Chenille. Chenille
Special
bedspread.
chenille
Me did
bedspread.
have one bedspread, a child, that did look like a married lady because the frills on this bedspread, only Christmas day. No,
You know I have a chenille bedspread.
you do
Yeah.
from mommy.
Mm-hmm. She gave it to me years ago. Still
Yeah.
have it. Yellow with some things on it, but it's chenille.
Right.
It's in a plastic bag. Put away.
No, you should use it from time to
I
time.
once using it and then
No, but if I had a bedspread like that from back then, I would use it from time to time because, girl, life too short
no.
and you never know. And then you cop out and then somebody get your chenille.
The pick of them. But yeah, chenille bedspread.
Mhm. And I remember we used to change out all the curtains, brand new curtains
Yeah.
at Christmas time. So brand new curtains come out, man. I mean,
Everything.
do you remember what our first Christmas tree was? Do you remember?
Yes. The rubber plant.
Yes. I will
Best
never forget
Christmas
that.
tree ever.
Huh?
Best Christmas tree ever.
For real.
We hang those things on the decorate the bulb decorations. I mean, we just had a few. And did we have tinsel?
Um, I remember yes, we had tinsel.
Yeah, tinsel.
We had tinsel, the
Mhm.
silver tinsel,
Yes, yes.
and we had pepper lights,
Pepper
the
lights, yeah.
big pepper lights.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we had tinsels and we had pepper light. I think that was about it.
Yeah. The rubber
But that
tree. Yeah.
that rubber tree stood there quite proud. I remember
Yes.
that.
And we put the gifts at the on the pot because it was a regular flowers pot. It was a
Flower
plant
pot. Right.
on a stand.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Was
That
Christmas.
was awesome. Yeah.
Crepe paper streamers. I remember making that. The crepe
What's that?
paper streamers.
Yes. Decorating the house with paper streamers. Well, when you really think about where we're coming from with decorations, I mean, yeah. I remember the paper streamers.
Yeah. Yeah.
There were also some things I don't know, and I still see those nowadays too. It's like when it's not in use, it's flat, it's round, flat, but then you open it up like into a ball, and it has all these holes all around. I don't even know what you call that.
I don't know either, but I know what you're talking about.
But having those
hang
like
it up.
hanging in the house,
Mm-hmm.
along
The
with the
ceiling.
streamers
Mm-hmm.
and the balloons,
Mm-hmm. Christmas.
you have a nicely decorated house
Oh,
right
yes.
there.
Oh yes. And what I remember is when all them Christmas cards come, you tie up the string
Yes,
and hang it over the string.
that was big. That was big. Yes,
That's how you display your cards.
right, right. And sometimes we even have cards on there from last year, and the year before. And all those cards that would come in, that's how people would keep in touch with Christmas cards. And you
I-
have that string. I remember how the string used to kind of like swag.
It's
You
swag.
remember?
It's swag.
Yeah.
So you can read the cards,
Right.
You can as a child, you can see the cards. You probably can't reach it, but you can see the cards. I tried that one year, since the girls were much older. I was like, what are you doing? I said, this is what we did when I was a kid. So
Right.
I put up a string
Right.
and I put the cards over it.
I like that tradition, and I still keep it.
Mm-hmm.
There has to be,
string.
even if it's a small wall somewhere, where I put some Christmas cards, because it's so traditional, and I think it's such a lovely touch.
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's a lovely touch. So I try to keep that tradition.
Yeah, I did it at one time and I never did it again.
Candy
Pine
canes
cones.
came later.
Yeah, because we did
You know, and like pine cones and all
pine
of
cones.
that.
Yeah.
Those things come much later.
Yeah.
Yeah, those were not like, back in the day kind of thing. This was lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you very much
Thanks a
for
lot.
stopping by and allowing
You're most welcome.
us to take this little walk down memory lane.
Thank you. Brought up a lot of things that
Right.
I'd forgotten.
Yeah.
So it was a good laugh.
Right. Yeah. Good memories. Good
Yeah.
memories. And guys,
Yeah.
this was our springboard. These you can find on Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description below. You can pick up your copy and make them gifts. They're absolutely lovely gifts, as you can see, with the glossy covers. All puzzles are in color.
Great gifts. We're Jamaican. This book will bring back a lot of memories. If you're not a Jamaican, then you will learn about us.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.